Hi everyone, it's Donna from Flory Insurance Agency. How about a Super Bowl snack? Very easy, ham and cheese sliders. Buy a dozen of those slider buns. In a 9 by 13 pan, put a little bit of parchment paper down. Put your bottom of your buns down. Put a thin layer of mayonnaise. Then put your ham and your whatever cheese. It suggests Swiss cheese, but you can put any cheese you prefer, but ham and Swiss do go together well. Then you make a mixture of yellow mustard and honey. Put that on top of that. And then if you would like, if you just want to melt butter, if you like poppy seeds, you melt butter and poppy seeds. Put that on top. Pop it in your oven till everything is slightly melted and glistening gold. That's it. And you've got 12